Join me as I dive into the world of emotions and take on the challenge of finding the secret to building confidence in kids through an exciting story. Emotions are a natural part of our lives, and they play a crucial role in shaping who we are and how we interact with the world around us. As we navigate the ups and downs of life, our emotions can either empower or hinder us, making it essential to understand and manage them effectively. Many kids struggle to understand and manage their emotions, and this can lead to feelings of anxiety, self-doubt, and low self-confidence. It's heartbreaking to see children hold themselves back because they don't believe in their abilities or fear making mistakes. Building confidence requires a deep understanding of our emotions and how they impact our behavior and decision-making. Imagine being in a situation where you feel scared or nervous, and your heart starts racing. You might start to doubt yourself, wondering if you can really do what's being asked of you. This is exactly what many kids face every day, and it's a major obstacle to building confidence. The struggle is real, and it's essential to acknowledge the emotional turmoil kids often experience. By doing so, we can start to help them develop the skills they need to navigate their emotions and build confidence. Let's explore some common emotions kids experience and how they can influence behavior and self-esteem. Imagine you're playing a game with your friends, and you lose. You might feel angry or frustrated, leading you to lash out at your friends or give up altogether. On the other hand, imagine you're playing the same game, and you win. You might feel happy and proud, leading you to want to play again and continue improving your skills. These emotions can have a significant impact on our behavior and self-esteem, and understanding them is critical to building confidence. Let's take the example of a character named Emma, who loves to draw but is afraid to show her artwork to others because she thinks they might laugh or criticize her. Emma's fear is holding her back from sharing her talents with the world. She's letting her emotions control her, rather than the other way around. One day, Emma's art teacher encourages her to share her work with the class. Emma is terrified, but she decides to take a deep breath and be brave. When she finally shares her artwork, she's surprised to receive positive feedback and encouragement from her classmates. This is a turning point for Emma, as she realizes that her fear was holding her back from doing something she loves. Emma learns a valuable lesson about trusting herself and her emotions. She understands that it's okay to feel scared or nervous, but it's essential to push through those feelings and take risks. This newfound confidence empowers Emma to continue sharing her artwork and pursuing her passions. As we reflect on Emma's journey, we can see that understanding and managing our emotions is critical to building confidence. By acknowledging and working through our fears and doubts, we can develop the courage to take risks and pursue our dreams. Thanks for joining me on this journey into the world of emotions and confidence. I hope you learned something new and valuable along the way. If you have a story about overcoming emotions and building confidence, I'd love to hear it in the comments below. And don't forget to check out our next video on emotional intelligence, where we'll dive even deeper into the world of emotions and explore practical strategies for kids to manage their feelings and build confidence.